All right, good afternoon. Forgive the way I look. Been over there cleaning up the rear transmission case for the Farmall M, but we are set up and ready to go. Okay, I see somebody has found my trailer. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go in the house and get something to eat, and then I'm gonna go back over and finish cleaning up the M, but we are all set, hooked up, ready to go for tomorrow's road trip, so stay tuned. Good Monday morning to you. We're coming live from a very cold Central City, Kentucky. We drove 10 hours yesterday, got here about 5:30, 6 o'clock local time, which means it was about 6:30, 7 o'clock back home. We got a beautiful sunset coming up. So I walked out here to check on things, and the truck is covered with frost. We actually ran into a little snow yesterday coming through the mountains. Got some pictures of that. Also too, the place opens about 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna go back in there and get the wife and girls up so we can go eat some breakfast, and then we're gonna ride into town to the tractor place. It's about a mile from here, so it's really convenient. So once we get there, we'll see what he's got and see if what I'm wanting to get is in great shape. And if it is, or good shape with not a lot of repair, we're gonna load it on the trailer and hammer down to North Carolina. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you shortly. Okay, we've made it. We are at Carl Mitchell and Son. I'll get a better picture of the sign and you guys can call him and see if you need anything. And well, from the looks of the yard, he's got a lot of stuff here. And this is what I'm interested in, is this right here. 2-bottom plow. It's got coulters, everything is here. Everything. Well, that's it. That's what I'm looking at. Let's walk around and see what else he's got. That looks like an IH drag harrow. Nice old planter. The IH 2-bottom plow with coulters. Another pull plow. It's like a plow for a cub. Cultivators. More planters. There's a lot of stuff up here, a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna go in the back, but there's farm all, looks like a C or something back there. Ferguson. Case, Ford, John Deere. I see the cultivators have already left this Super C. Well, that 2-bottom plow looks to be in really good shape. I'm gonna walk over there and check it out a little bit more. I think I'm taking it home. So stay tuned and let's see if it gets on the trailer. Good Thursday morning. It is 3 days later since I've been home. I didn't get it off the trailer until this morning because I got home about 10:30. Well, about 10 o'clock Monday night, and had to get up at 4 o'clock and go to work. Wonderful. So this is it. It is a Little Genius number 8 2-bottom slat plow. And this is my first time seeing one of these with the actual slats in real life. other than pictures, but I am going to change it out to the traditional mold boards so I can use it here at the house, because I am going to take it apart and fix, you know, the little issues. Think that it's missing the trip, so if it ever was to hit a rock or a root or something, it would come undone from the tractor. I think it's missing it. Not really sure, because this is my first time having one and actually seeing one other than pictures. But the book will be here for it tomorrow or Saturday, so we'll know more then. But if you know, please let me know. So it's in really good shape. I'm happy with it. And like I said, it's almost 100 years old, so it's got some wear on it. We're going to address all those issues and get that done. Please forgive the wind noise. So like I said, it's got a little bit of issues, and the rim over there is a little bent, but that's okay. But the best part is IHC, so we're good. And like I said, the hardware, I mean, it's all simple stuff, nothing major. But I am going to put it back like it's supposed to be. That's why the book is here. But the best part is the tail wheel is solid. There's no rusted holes in that tail wheel or the actual wheels for the plow. So that's it. I am going to get in there and get started back on the M. I got a lot to do, because like I said last weekend, I did work on it some Saturday, but Sunday and Monday I was gone to Kentucky and back. So thanks again for watching. Thank you for your subscription, and thank you for giving me some of your time. And as always, have a great afternoon, and we'll see you next time from Old Red Tractors.